Digits on the beat.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the next episode of the restoration of my 1988 Mini City E. So in this episode, it's not going to be a lot, it's just going to be odds and ends and little jobs that I've got to do and tackle. Yeah, so I don't know what it's going to be like. And I'm not promising any jobs I'm going to do because I don't know what I'm doing. So we'll just flow and see what happens. So please like and subscribe for more. Yeah, if you're watching this, please like and put a thumbs up as well. So yeah, let's get on with some jobs. Right, sorry for that absolute awful intro. I'm so tired, but I'll just give you a walk around. I've got some spotlights on it, got a tow strap, got all of this working now apart from the choke cable that I've got to sort. So I've got all the earth, done all the pipe for that, servo housings in, brake limiter valve, and the job we're doing at the moment, look at that, just look at that front end though, look at that, it's coming now, P700 headlights. Yeah, I'll talk you through. In here it's looking quite dark, that's because we are now fitting a headline in, as you can see, going in to do it. It's the worst job of the whole car, so that's what we're going to tackle. I'm not going to record it because I'm inside and the space is, yeah, it's alright, but look at the shine on it. It hasn't even had a wax or anything. Yeah, so finished off painting some bits earlier. We've got all the rubbers and seals for the windows. Yeah, so I won't record much, but I'll just see what happens. So yeah, let's crack on, I guess. Right, so we've done the first day of the headlining, so I'll just show you what I've done. It's not looking too bad. A few creases that I've got to take out here. But yeah, it's all looking good, all pinned up. So with that done for tonight, I'm going to go and move and do something else. Yeah, let's go and make some pipes for the clutch moss and right then, so yeah, done the first step of the headline and it looks really nice. It should look alright when it's done. People that you don't even see it like at a show, so if I mess it up, I mess it up. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Next week is the Stanford Hall, the 23rd of September. So yeah, if you're going, then make sure you look out for me in that. And yeah, it's going to be good. We've got a stall, sensors, signs, toolboxes, all sorts. Got people to see as well. But yeah, so message me if you want to meet or if you're going. We can meet up and that, or text me or something. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Please like this video and please go and view and like my other videos, just to keep me going, sort of thing, keep the videos coming. Next video will be out in the next week. But yeah, thank you very much and I'll see you soon. Cheers.